Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Escajo and I am to serve as the chairperson of Cacho Finance Management. And now I am excited to introduce our newly developed cooperative logo. This logo represented our connection, value, our mission, and our promise to help grow community and environment. Our logo shows the cooperative name established a local represent farmers, Bisokois, and Pikipag. A farmers represent the hard work. Bisokois and Pikipag support the currency and the savings for financial planning. Potential challenge in the flywheel strategy. By providing resources and support to cooperatives, the strategy aims to strengthen state community. This involves offering training and resources to help cooperatives manage their effective to courage and courage to our membership to practice ensure that of continuous improvement and grow like a flywheel to success and sustainability of cooperative finance management. Unfinished business to a situation where a project or goal has been not been complete as potential to miss opportunity. This is important to timely and effective to monitor beauty's impact and ensure the goals and achieved. Example, our membership, we have set a goal to learn a new skills or hobby to follow through on the necessary steps to achieve these goals. The finished management can lead to feelings of support and the motivation as well potential missed opportunities for personal growth and development. I'm your Sherman person and that's my presented. Thank you for your time and to get a part of my presentation. I look forward to achieve our goals with you.